Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm going to show you pretty quickly how to connect tax service to your Shopify store. This is really important for your store, guys, so let's get started. Let's cut straight to the chase. What we need to do first here is to select and actually click on bottom left corner settings option right here, and here this window will pop up. On the left side you can see this huge menu, guys, but what we need here is taxes and duties section. So once you press on it here, this window will pop up, and here you can see regional settings based on your region and everything. So down below that you can see apps. Connect your preferred sales tax service to Shopify. More partners coming soon. So for now you have two options: Avalara tax compliance paid app, tax compliance done right, or Vertex tax and compliance paid app again, transact, comply, and grow with confidence. So you can install either one of those, but as I said, more partners are coming soon. So for now you have to pick between these two options right here.